This quick tutorial will guide you to uninstall Spotify in Windows 11. By following this guide, you can completely uninstall Spotify, along with leftovers. We are making this guide on Windows 11. This guide will help you on Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7 as well. Programs and Features utility can be used to uninstall Spotify, but the problem with Native Software Remover is that, after uninstallation, it does not remove remnants of Spotify, or other programs. You have to manually remove registry files, and other leftovers. We suggest using a third-party software uninstaller, to uninstall Spotify. Third-party software remover programs help you uninstall programs, and get rid of remnants, with a few clicks. Revo Uninstaller is one of the best software uninstallers available. It is available in the free and paid version. The premium version has some additional useful features, but the free version is enough for general use. Download the free version of Revo Uninstaller, find the link in the description. After the install completes, launch Revo Uninstaller. Locate and highlight Spotify, and click the Uninstall button. Revo Uninstaller will suggest you make a restore point. It is extremely unlikely that there will be any problems. The restore point will help you go back. If anything goes wrong, we'll uncheck this suggestion, and click Continue. Click OK to begin uninstalling Spotify. After this step, Revo Uninstaller will scan for leftovers. To remove them, choose the Advanced option, and click on Scan. To remove registry items, click Select All, and then Delete. Click Yes to confirm. Click Select All, and then Delete. Click Yes to confirm. You have successfully uninstalled Spotify along with leftovers. Hopefully, you have managed to get rid of Spotify along with harmful remnants by this quick guide. Feel free to ask for assistance if we could not cover any crucial points. We will try our best to help you. You can leave your questions, suggestions, and feedback in the comment box.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.